What's up YouTube, what's up everybody, it's your boy Kanzi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to flip a loop, chop it and make it else. This will help to make your beats unique whenever you're using loops. You do not want to make the same beats everybody wants is making. Trust me, you want it to be different. So before I get to today's video, like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and leave click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Alright, let's get to today's video. Hey, so on today's video I have this loop. It's on 155 BPM. I'm going to play it for you guys to listen. Sorry. Yeah, so that's it. But to mention, there are different ways you can flip a loop. You can reverse it, you can pitch it up, you can pitch it down, you also can chop it. I'm just going to use one of those methods. So firstly I want to reverse it, then I'll listen to the part I like that I can chop. Okay, this part is good. Okay, I think I like this part. For one small thing to do, I think bring this part out. Okay, I think I like it like this. So what I want to do next is, if you do not want to add maybe any other any other thing to the beat, you can just bring this down and then make unique. So what that has done is it's going to make it different. Just took that out. So I'm going to make this unique, then I'm going to pitch it way up. Yeah, I like it like this. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to add it in the hook, so it's going to make it a lot busy. Delete this. Then I also want to take the same loop and then make unique also, but then I'm going to pitch this one down. So this is going to be the verse. So now I'm going to add drums. I'm going to add drums for you guys. Hi-hat. Make hi-hat roll. Now I'm going to make him roll. Okay, here. And then also I'm going to do this. Pitch this one up. Bring it down a little too. Then I'm gonna have this one here. Bring this down, and this also. So I think I'm going to just delete this and then repeat it. So I have this. To wait. Like this. Call itself. Find the root node. Okay. Then I'm going to add a kick also to give the 808 a little more bounce, but I'm just going to put it in a few places. The whole sound. Then after I got this, I want to structure the beat. So I'm going to show you guys how I can structure the beat.
Hey, you Kanzi, spice that shit up.
what I'm gonna do to this is I'm gonna link them all to the mixer. For this, I'm gonna add reverb to it. Get size, okay. And I'm just gonna do this. This is okay for it. So guys, this is the arrangement I came up with. I'm gonna play it for you guys to listen. I'm gonna play the beat right now for you guys to listen. You can see that works. It works like that. Alright guys, that's the whole tutorial for today. Hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you understand everything I've said today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, and also click the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hey.